If your ocean paintings don't look quite right, there's a reason. And it's not your talent. This is something almost every beginner struggles with, especially when it comes to painting water and waves. It can feel unpredictable, confusing, and honestly, a little frustrating. But once you understand a few key things, everything starts to feel much more manageable. In this video, we're going to break that down in a simple, clear way. Most people approach seascapes by trying to copy what they see. They look at a wave and try to paint that exact shape. But the ocean isn't random. It actually follows patterns. And when you don't understand those patterns, things start to feel off. Waves can look stiff instead of flowing. Water can feel flat instead of deep. And even when the colors are right, something still doesn't quite come together. So let's simplify this. Instead of thinking of a wave as one complicated shape, break it into a few simple parts. You have the face of the wave. This is the main body. You have the crest, where the wave begins to curl. And then you have the foam, where the energy breaks and spreads out. When you understand these parts, you're not guessing anymore. You're building the wave intentionally. The same idea applies to depth. Water doesn't look deep because of detail. It looks deep because of contrast and color. Darker, richer tones tend to sit farther back. Lighter, softer areas come forward. And movement comes from direction. Your brushstrokes should follow the natural flow of the water. These small shifts make a huge difference. Once these ideas start to click, painting the ocean feels completely different. You're not trying to figure it out as you go. You're making decisions with confidence, and your paintings start to feel more natural, more balanced, and much more enjoyable to create. If this is something you've been wanting to learn more about, we've put together a full Seascapes course that walks through all of this step by step. Inside the course, we go deeper into how waves actually work, how to create depth and movement in water, how to paint foam, reflections, and shoreline details. Everything is designed to be beginner-friendly and easy to follow. So instead of guessing, you can really understand what you're painting. If you'd like to explore that, you can find all the details in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel and allows us to keep creating free tutorials for you. Happy painting, and see you in the next tutorial.